Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all. Class 2 Maths. Students, we continuation of this lesson. This is a division lesson, continuation of this lesson. So already you learned what is mean by division. Yes, already you learned, students, this one. And what is the symbol of division. Yes, and so how to share equally the things. For example, balls. In 6 balls, so how we will be sharing, it means we will be make a 3 groups. So how we will be make a 3 groups, like we will be make a separate of 2 balls. Yes, we will be make as a 3 groups. Okay, so today we will continue this one, that is exercise. First already we done, so now we will start here, that is exercise in a second question. Make equal shares as done in example. Second main, make equal shares as done in the example. One they will read here. See example, first one. So 9. Okay, so 9 we will be make, it means equally we will share as 3. 1 2 3. Yes, see here, students. So how we will be share here, 3 3 3. Here see, 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So we will be equally shared, equally we will be shared, here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. So equally we will share the 9 in 3 parts. Okay, so next one they can be given here 5. So how many groups we will be share here? So we will make 5 shares, 3 4 5 shares. So how will be share of 5 shares, equally how will be share 5. It means 5 means here we will be make as here 1 1 to each group. So in one group here 1 1 1 1 1. Here see 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5. So here see 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 5 is, we will be equally share how many groups here? 5 groups. Okay, so next one they can given here 8. So 8 we will share in 2 groups. Okay, so how we will be share in 2 groups? So 8 will write here 4. I'll write here 4. It means 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Understood, students? So 4 is we divided in 2 parts. Like 5 is we divided how many parts? 5 parts. So 9 is we divided 3 parts, but equally we shared. Equally we divided 3 3 3. Here 1 1 1 1 1. Here 4 4. Equally same numbers. Okay. Next one they can given here 6. So 6 is we divided in 3 groups. So how many numbers will write here in 2 2? Yes, I'll write here 2 2 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so 6 is divided in 3 groups. In one group 2 2 2. Understood this one? Okay, so next one they can given here fourth one, that is we can given here 4. 4 is divided, so 2 groups we will be dividing 2 groups. Yes, so how we will be dividing 2 groups? I'll write 2 2. Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. And also I'll write, it means 4 is I'll divided into 4 groups. How we will be, see how I will dividing in 4 groups. 1 2 3 4. 1 1 1 1. Yes, so right, it means 4 is divided in 2 groups, so equally 2 is equally it will be comes here, but in 4 groups, so 1 is equal shares. It means 4 is equally shares. How many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 is divided in 4. Okay, understood this one? Next one they can be given here. For example, 12. Okay, so 12 is divided in how many groups we will be dividing? 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here, so how we will be dividing in 6? 12 is equally we will dividing in 6. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. Here see 12, it means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 12 is we divided in 6 equal shares. Yes, understood this one? Okay, another one I'll take here. So which number that is? Okay, 8, I will take 8, so I'll divide it in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal shares. Okay, so means which number it comes here? 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Equally the numbers are shared. Understood how to sharing up here to the what it is numbers? So those numbers are equally shared. It means 5 is dividing, it means 5 is dividing, those dividing is equally it can be divided. The numbers are equal. Understood? So third main they can be given here. What they can be given here? Third main, see here. Okay, see, I'll write third main. Distribute the following into equal parts. Okay, so they can given here 8. So already I told this one. So how many shares they can given here? Equally, so parts, it means how many parts? 1 2 3 4. Yes, so 4 I will dividing in how many parts? 4. It means how many parts here? 8 is dividing in 4 parts here. 2 2 2 2. It means 8 is dividing in how many times here? 1 2 3 4. 4 equal parts. Okay, next one they can given here 10. 10 is dividing in 5 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5. So here 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so 10 is dividing 5 equal parts. Like here 8 is dividing 4 equal parts, that is 2. Okay, here also for 10 is dividing in 5 equal parts. So next one 6 they can be given here. Okay, 6 they'll make here. So I'll tell you 6 is dividing in 3 parts, 3 equal parts. 2 2 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, so another way, 6 is dividing in 2 equal parts, like here 3 plus 3. Okay, see here 6 is dividing here how many parts? Here 3 parts, 2 is dividing. Okay, so here 6 is dividing in 2 parts, so which number it comes here? 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so next they can be given here 10. 10 is dividing how many groups? 2 groups. Which number here comes? 5. 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes, 10 is dividing equal parts. How many equal parts here? 2 equal parts. So in the second main, so they can be given here. So here see, so here 10 is how many parts equally they are distributed here? 5. So here 2. Understood? The numbers are here. How many it means? The numbers are same numbers, they will be okay. Next one they can be given here, third main, that is stitch the buttons to shirts equally as shown in the example. Okay, so we'll see these example in textbook only. Okay, we'll see these example in textbook only. Okay, students, see here they can be given here third main. What they can given here? Stitch the buttons to shirts equally as shown in the examples. They can be given here example, one example. Yes, so how it is they can be given here? Okay, see here students, so they can be given here. So they can given here 2 shirts. Okay, so 12 buttons here. How many buttons are there here? 12 buttons. These buttons are equally shares in 2 shirts. Okay, so how much buttons they will be? It means we will add to here in one shirt and one shirt. So 2 shirts, 12 buttons we will be equally shares here. 2 here, 6 plus 6 is 12. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. Yes. In one shirt 6 buttons, in one shirt 6 buttons. It means here the 12 buttons are here shares in 2 shirts. It means equally there are 6 buttons in one shirt and 6 buttons in one shirt. Okay, so here see students, stitch 15 buttons to 3 shirts. Yes, so 15 buttons we will be shared in 3 shirts. So how many buttons we will be write here? So how many buttons we will be put here? So I'll write here 5 buttons in first shirt, 5 button in second shirt and 5 button in third shirt. See here 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is how much? 15. Okay, we'll draw here how many buttons? 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so we write here how many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Here also we'll put 5 buttons. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay. So here also how many buttons? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. See here in 15 buttons we equally shares. So how many shirts here? 1, 2, 3, 3 shirts. In one shirt 5 buttons, another shirt 5 buttons, like here also 5 buttons. Understood students this one? Okay, next one they can be given here 16 buttons. The 16 buttons to share here how many shirts? 4 shirts equally. So we will be shares. Okay, so here see how many buttons? 16 buttons. So in 16 buttons will equally shares 4 buttons in one shirt. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, so I'll write 4 buttons in one shirt. Okay, so in one shirt 4 buttons, another shirt 4 buttons. Okay, second, third and fourth. So next one 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So in one shirt, see how many buttons are there? Equally we will share here. 4 equally we will be share. Okay. In one shirt 4 buttons. So next shirt 4 buttons. Next shirt 4 plus last one is 4 buttons. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Totally 16 buttons. We shares 4 equal shirts. Okay. Understood this one, students? Yes, I hope you understood this lesson. This lesson is completed. So tomorrow we will continue. That is the new chapter. Thank you for watching.